Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Design Your Own Titan video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a fun aquatic Titan. And this Titan's name is Neodynamon. Now, Neodynamon, this is a big underwater Titan. It's over 150 meters tall and it weighs over 5,000 tons. Now, this Titan is really cool. I love how it has all these different tentacles all over it. It's got these big claws on it as well. Those tentacles definitely look like something that would give a lot of Titans some problem, especially if they were underwater with it. I can only imagine something like Godzilla trying to battle this guy underwater. Now, the Neodynamon Titan has some really cool abilities. It has echolocation. It also has a very powerful death ray. And then something that really helps it is it can move at supersonic speed under the water. Now, it also has the ability to camouflage, and just kind of like the octopus and the squid, it can also regrow its tentacles if something happens to it or other parts of the body. This Titan is really cool, and I love seeing all the different things. I definitely wanted to include some sort of water Titan in here, and when I saw this one, I knew this would definitely be a fun one to add to our Design Your Own Titan collection. So I can't wait to show you guys how to draw this Titan, and I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with this Titan, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right down here, more in the corner, and I'm going to begin by making a small checkmark shape like this. Next, we're going to draw a line that goes down and up for the eye. And then we're going to make some little curved lines like this. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes up and down. Now, we want to make the horns above it. So what I'm going to do is I want to start here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come up and back like this. And we're going to make it come to a point and kind of bring it down. Next, I'm going to bring this up to here. Now for the nose, let's draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to bring this down. Then we're going to make a little line here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to bring it back, and then right to here. Then I'm going to curve this line down for a really wide open mouth. Now, I want to fill this mouth with some sharp pointed teeth, and I'm going to go right to about here. And then I'll do the same thing here. We're going to make some sharp pointed teeth. Then let's go ahead and kind of curve a line down. We'll add a couple more. Now, starting here, let's make a line that's going to come out to a point and back. And then one more, out to a point. And we're going to bring it to here. Next, I'm going to curve this line back with some points. Then we'll make like a little broken line under here. Next, out of here, we're going to make him kind of doing like his blast attack, using like kind of like a water siphon. So we're going to make some kind of like broken lines on here. And then we're going to make some kind of broken little spiral lines as well. Just to kind of show it's like some water flowing out. Then I'm going to bring this line up to here with another row of teeth. And we'll just connect this line to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve a few lines up like this for the neck. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here. Next, I'm going to curve this line down. We're going to make 2 lines, and I'm going to bring it down to here. Then I'm going to make like a hook shape onto the end. Then I'm going to bring this back here with a couple little points, and I'm going to curve it up for the arm. Then we'll do a couple little lines on each side. Next, right here, I'm going to bring this line down. 2 lines. I'm going to bring this to here, and I'm going to curve this down and up. Then we're going to bring this back and up to here. Now, right here, I'm going to make the back. I'm going to make some little spikes kind of coming across the back here till we get to about there. And then I'm going to make a really big like tentacle coming out of here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to curve a line that's just going to kind of come up. I'll make this kind of go around. Then we'll kind of make this come to a point, and I'm going to bring this right to about here. And then instead of starting at the end, let's start here, and we'll kind of bring this back. And I'll make some broken lines to kind of connect it. We'll do another one up here, just kind of curve this up and kind of bring it down. We'll make this come out to a little point there. Then we'll bring this around here. And kind of same thing, just curve it around. Now I'm going to make a couple more little spikes back here. And then I'm going to curve a few lines right here. Now he almost kind of has like, this Titan has like an octopus tentacle style like back over here. So I'm going to leave a little bit of space here, and I'm going to start a tentacle. I'm just going to kind of bring a line that's just going to come down, and we're going to curve it around here. Then when we bring it back, we're going to make it start out small. Then I'll kind of start here, and I'll curve it back, make it bigger. I'm going to draw another one that's just going to kind of come down. And we'll kind of curl this one around. Then we'll make it nice and small, and then as it comes back around towards the body, it's going to get bigger. We'll start here. We'll make another one that's just going to kind of come down. I'm going to make this come up and then down here. And then we'll just curve it back up. Then we'll just kind of bring this to here. Next, I'm going to make one that's going to kind of curve to here. And I'll bring it all the way towards the top. We're going to just kind of curve this back to here. We'll make a couple more points, and then I'm going to make another one that's just going to curve up and then down. Let's make a little curve here and a line down here. We'll make a little curve here, and we'll bring this tentacle out here and bring it back. Then we'll just kind of run to this one and bring it right to here. Then I want to do just one more tentacle, kind of give it like 6, almost like a squid. I guess 8 if you want to include these, more of like an octopi. And then we'll just do one more. We'll just kind of start it here. We'll just kind of make a small curvy one back here. Now we got our basic shape. Let's just add some of the fun details in here. So I'm going to make like a little curve here on the top. And then a couple little broken lines. I'm going to add a little curved line here, almost kind of like something you'd see on our T-Rex dinosaur drawings. I'm going to extend some of these lines up with a few broken lines for details. And then some broken lines back here. A couple lines for like ribs. And then we're going to make like some wiggly lines here. We're going to make some little kind of broken lines right around the arms. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up to here. And then I'm going to make some kind of close together little lines just to kind of show this is like the bottom of like the tentacle. I'm even going to draw some broken lines right around here. We'll do another line here. And we'll make some more kind of close together lines. Just right around here. And some more lines here. I like to put some broken lines here, and then let's just do a couple of these curved lines right around here. I'm not making full lines, just more curved, and this just kind of helps give it a little bit more of like a dimension look. You can see it's a little bit more rounder. And we'll put a couple more little curved lines here. Next, let's draw a line here. Let's make one right here. Let's curve one here. Let's do one here. And then one right here. And we can do one here as well. And we're just going to put a lot of curves in these little spaces that we made. And this will just kind of help show where the bottom of the tentacle is. Just kind of like this, just for a little bit of detail. But we can do that same thing, some broken lines around the edge. And then we're just going to put some broken lines right around here. And just a few little lines. And then just a couple more little extra lines all over for some extra details. And there you go. There is your drawing of our latest Titan. I really like this one. This one's kind of got more of like an underwater feel. And it's really cool. I think, you know, this is definitely something you wouldn't want to mess with all these tentacles. He's got some really strong tentacles to kind of hold other Titans with. And if he gets a hold of you and uses that blast, that would definitely not be very good. So here is our Neodynamon Titan. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.